Number one, we are exposed to air, food, water, and technology. So that 4 factors pa lang is already, it's already giving the body stress. Okay? Number one, the air that we breathe dito sa EDSA pa lang, dito sa kapitbahay ko, katabi natin, sigarilyo, tambucho. So that already creates free radicals when we inhale the air. Number two, the food that we eat, nandyan lahat yung preservatives, additives, artificial flavor, artificial color. So hindi natin ma-avoid, especially with the fast pace of life ngayon, tuloy-tuloy ang talagang rat race. We are dependent on instant food, everything is instant. Water, okay? So hindi natin ma-avoid ang water, especially with the kind of water that Manila is giving us, no? Maraming leaks, maraming putol-putol, not continuous ang flow ng water. So bacteria tend to leak into the pipes, then pag bumalik yung water supply, yung mga bacteria na yun, nadi-deliver din diretso sa faucet natin. And last but not least is technology. No, so the advancement of technology creates a lot of microwave radiation, electromagnetic radiation, not to mention also in other parts of the world na nuclear power plant is being used to propel the city. So we are very much exposed to a lot of free radicals, to a lot of, we term it pamatay sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay.
Mabuti na lang, merong matinding panlaban sa mga harmful free radicals. Presenting Xanthones, the super antioxidant.
Xanthones is a very good antioxidant. It neutralizes the free radicals or the pamatay created by air, water, food, and technology. Na-neutralize niya yung inflammation, na-neutralize niya yung papatay sa atin.
At ang pinakamahusay na source ng Xanthones, andito sa Pilipinas.
In mangosteen, there is a number of xanthones, namely mga 40 plus of them.
Kumpara sa ibang mga prutas, mangosteen ang may pinakamataas na level ng xanthones. Sa 200 xanthones known sa ngayon, 40 dito ay nasa iisang prutas lamang, sa mangosteen.
Mangosteen is very strong here in the Philippines. We have the best mangosteen in the world. So we thought maybe this is the product we should push. And the wonderful thing is we have enough mangosteen to supply the whole world.
Grandis palma means great rewards in Latin, no? And in the Bible it says God is our great reward. So ang feeling ko talaga, this is a divine chance for us to be able to help a lot of people using these amazing products that is based here in the Philippines and manufactured here in the Philippines.
I have a history of asthma since 23 years old. Nagamit ko na yung lahat ng klase ng medication. Try din ako ng mga ibang food supplements. Hindi siya talaga nawawala. Recurring lang. And then until such time na nalaman ko yung mangosteen, healing power of mangosteen. So sabi ko, i-try ko yun. Nag-intense mangosteen therapy ako. Until nung nagpa-check up ako, lumabas yung result, totally eliminated yung asthma ko.
Noon kasi na-hospital ako na tungkol sa heart ko. Mababa ang hormones ko dahil sa thyroid ko. Tapos, 1 month ako nag-stay sa hospital. Paglabas ko, naramdaman ko yung malakas na pintig ng heart ko. Nag-suggest yung isa sa mga doktor dito na gumamit ako ng mangosteen capsule. Noong September 21, 2006 hanggang ngayon. Gumamit ako ng mangosteen powder juice saka mangosteen capsule. Na-normalize yung palpitation ng puso ko.
Nung May 21st, nasa Iligan ako, babiyahe ko ng Cebu. Naku, may bleeding ako, yung kidney ko na naman. Boil ako ng mangosteen tea, mga 7 glass of water. Pag boil ko, iniinom ko yun regularly. Then, nag-megadose po ako ng capsule. So, 2 capsules every 6 hours. Itong dumating na June 1st, ito lumabas sa akin. Paglabas niya, without any operation, medical operation, because of mangosteen nakatulong.
My husband suffered from a hypertension, and he has this was this nodule, abnormal growth tumor. He was complaining about it for almost 2 years, and it was very hard tumor. After 2 weeks of using the capsule, the GPI mangosteen capsule, we were really surprised kasi one day bigla na lang, bumuka. So, we canceled the biopsy. Mangosteen is really a blessing from God.
Marami kang mapagpipili ang produkto para maging healthy. Mangosteen coffee with ginseng, mangosteen tea with lemongrass, mangosteen juice, mangosteen capsule with berries, synergy necklace. Pero kahit alin pa sa mga ito ang inumin mo, siguradong makabubuti sa health mo. At ang gandang natural, nasa mangosteen yan. Isabella Skin Lightening Soap, Isabella Skin Lightening Toner, Isabella Facial Cream, Isabella Skin Lightening Lotion.